Reciba sa Bacca, Captain Benito Lopez Sr. Philippine Army, Vice Coordinator, Von Ryan Pena, Major Trainer, Dr. Evelyn Pena, Entry number 49, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City.
Next entry, number 50, University of Northern Eastern Philippines, San Roque, Area City, President, Attorney Police Chief Admiral Omaleta, Fire Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel, Clarence Samuel C. Borrego, Corps XO, Cadet Major Derek V. Amida, Corps 1, Cadet Major Sam A. G. Mala, Corps 2, Cadet Major